welcome back to our channel Robotics Education powered by Robogic technology. Today we are diving into the world of electronics with a fun and educational experiment. We are going to light up a small LED bulb using simple materials you can find around your home. So here you will need a light bulb case, battery case, switch and some wires. Step 1. Let's light up the small bulb. Turn the light bulb on the bulb case. Make sure it's securely secured. Next, let's link up each side of the bulb to the wires. Now connect both the terminals of the miniature bulb case to the switch. Now step 2. Let's take the battery case and attach the battery to the battery case positive and negative terminal respectively. And there you have it. Our DIY circuit is complete and our small LED bulb is now illuminated with the help of switch on and off. Wow, that's cool. With just a few simple materials and some basic knowledge of circuit, we can create our own light source right at home. And there you have it. Our DIY circuit is complete and our small miniature LED is now illuminating. Wow, that's cool. With just a few simple materials and some basic knowledge of circuit, you can create your own light source at home. If you enjoyed this experiment, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe our channel Robotics Education. And don't forget to hit notification bell so never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and until next time,